MacroSoft School Manager allows you to make MSM transparent. A fundamental mechanism that makes MSM transparent. It allows you to make MacroSoft School Manager transparent, showing the view behind the MacroSoft School Manager. To make MSM transparent, you have to follow some steps. Double-click the MacroSoft School Manager icon on your desktop, or you can click the Start menu shortcut to launch MacroSoft School Manager. Logging in with your account. Successfully log in. Welcome to MacroSoft Lab. MacroSoft School Manager is activating. In school or college info, go to the search bar, and type equal, and then type the percentage as you want, and then give a semicolon. After that, MacroSoft School Manager will become transparent. It will work perfectly even if it is transparent. MSM won't allow you to set the transparency level lower than 30%. You can set the transparency level between 30 to 100. If you increase the percentage, the transparency will decrease. If you decrease the percentage, the transparency will increase. If you want to turn off transparency, just set the transparency level 100. MSM also has some inbuilt features. If you move the mouse pointer away from the profit and loss report window, the window will automatically become transparent. If the mouse pointer returns, the window will automatically appear. Same things with the bank and collection report. It helps to compare or check the calculations. This works even if you have multiple windows open.